psychologists.
No,
Love gurus.
just to make it clear, manam serious relationship advice ఏమి ఇవ్వట్లేదు. Just having a little fun. So చాలా questions వచ్చినాయి. So let me.
First question
is from Siri. Why do boys act so immature and insensitive in understanding emotions and how to tackle them?
Great
ఇది
question.
Samé answer చేయాలి.
Great question. Actually, initially in the relationship, even I thought, why enduku inta insensitive ga, why is he so insensitive? Nijanga, I have to tell you, even I thought that. But of late, I understood that girls process things differently, guys process things very, very differently. So, the same sentence can be understood differently by girls and by boys. So I think that if you feel that they're insensitive, maybe they just don't understand what you're trying to communicate. So you must try to communicate better, and then dan tarvata if they're still insensitive, then it's questionable.
బాయ్స్ మీరు అంత ఫీల్ అవ్వమాకండి ప్లీజ్. వాళ్ళకి మనం ఇన్సెన్సిటివ్ ఇమ్మెచ్యూర్ ఇవన్నీ మన తప్పు కాదు. వాళ్ళు అండర్స్టాండింగ్ స్కిల్స్ అంతే, మనల్ని సరిగ్గా అర్థం చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నారు అంతే. లెట్స్ లీవ్ ఇట్ ఎట్ దట్.
I think that everybody all psychologists can accept my answer as the right answer.
Okay, next question from fan of Angel. What is the best way to propose to a girl? I don't know. There's no best way. నువ్వు ఎలా ప్రపోజ్ చేసినా it will never be the best for them. Always something else will be better. So keep trying.
I think we need another person to give these answers. No, I'll give the answer. Please, పాపం నిజంగా అడుగుతున్నారు, నువ్వేమో worst గా answers ఇస్తున్నావు.
What is the best way according to you?
The best way to propose is just be honest.
Be honest, correct. Be honest.
It does not matter where you propose, how you propose, with what you propose. You just tell her from your heart what you really feel, and that's all that matters. Yeah, for me, like my best moments with Jay is like the smallest things. Chinna. It's never the big thing. It's never the big holidays, or it's never the big gifts. It's always the smallest of things. So these things matter so much to us.
Just bring out your true personality, ante. Okay, next is from Kirtana. Hi Sam and Che, I love a person from my school days and I recently met him and I thought to marry him, but he is not ready for marriage till 5 years. I will surely wait for him for my lifetime, but what if he doesn't understand my love? Suggest something. Nanu em suggest
you brought the worst person.
Wait
Jaya 5 years.
తను తిరిగి రావట్లేదంటే ఇంకో move on, figure out someone else. Good advice?
No, I don't think so.
No bad advice.
I think in this situation, what not to say, what not to do, what to do and what to say. So
నీకు ఓపిక ఉన్నంత సేపు వెయిట్ చేయి, తర్వాత don't wait.
No, I think that you have a conversation, a discussion with him as to get complete understanding about why does he want those 5 years. If you feel that there is a certain reason which is believable as to why he wants those 5 years, maybe he wants to work and prove something to himself, maybe he wants to give back to his family before he settles down, chala untai. So maybe if you have a good discussion, the both of you, and then you can decide for yourself.
నువ్వు చాలా సీరియస్ లవ్ గురులా అడ్వైస్ ఇస్తున్నావు. పెద్ద
ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా చూసాను కాబట్టి.
ఏమి చూడలేదు. Okay, from Meet Kuru. Do you think a relationship works if the girl is 7 to 8 years older than the boy?
నువ్వే చెప్పాలి, మా నీకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది.
Age is never a problem. Age is only in the mind. Age is never a problem. చెప్పాను కదా. Vara, in the situation of a guy needs to accept another girl set by his family by leaving his girl, what should he choose with less pain?
నువ్వే చెప్పాలి. మజలి.
I don't know, family and love is always equally important. ఫ్యామిలీ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటే రిలేషన్షిప్ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది, రిలేషన్షిప్ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటే ఫ్యామిలీ హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు. సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ద ఫైట్ టు కీప్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ హ్యాపీ. యా. క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ MSH. We didn't talk for 3 to 4 months. Now how to start a conversation and bring back the previous charm? ఈగో పక్కన పెట్టి మాట్లాడు.
Yes, ego పక్కన పెట్టాలి.
Nash, my girlfriend left me after 4 years in a relationship. She says she doesn't like relationships now after all these 4 years.
Iyo.
We were physical too. Okay, I didn't want to know that. But what should I do? Should I just accept and leave her?
ఇది మరీ సీరియస్ గా
Too serious, bro. Cannot.
No.
Akhilesh.
No. As in,
You want to
have to answer, Papam. Like,
How will I know?
Nash,
Should
I know that it's extremely difficult, and it seems you didn't give the reason why she gave. She never gave any reason.
నీ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమై చేసావే సినిమాలో ఉంది. సేమ్ జెస్సీ క్యారెక్టర్ కూడా ఏమై చేసావేలో అంతే.
Was Jessie physical?
ప్రేమించి హలో పాటలో ముద్దులు పెట్టుకొని కుందన బొమ్మ అని పాడుకొని.
I really hope you may work things out, Nash.
What is meant to happen will happen. Talapati 63. It may sound silly, but the guy being a non-veg and the girl being a strict vegan, how to handle those situations?
Actually, ఇది నిజంగా so my friend Shikal, okay, and నాకు తెలీదు ఇది ఒక problem, that this could actually be a problem in a relationship when she said, no, I like everything about him, but he's non-vegetarian. అసలు ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ ఐ స్లాప్ యూ. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది రిలేషన్షిప్స్ లేకుండా సింగిల్స్గా ఉండి చచ్చిపోతున్నారు. ఇది ఒక ప్రాబ్లము. దాని తర్వాత దీని గురించి ఒక డిస్కషన్. వాట్ నాన్ సెన్స్. ఐ థింక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాక్సెప్ట్ పీపుల్ ఫర్ హూ దే ఆర్, అండ్ if everything else works about the relationship, so what if the other person is non-vegetarian and you are vegetarian? Make it work.
From Bhumi Ganesh. Please help me in my relationship. My husband is madly in love with Samantha. I couldn't tolerate his torture since August. Please help me. How can I make him forget her?
What?
Bhumi, ask your husband to meet me. It'll all be sorted. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll take care of it. It won't take long. If you don't see him again, you know what happened to me. Vinay, my partner asking for first kiss, but I said after marriage only. Please give me advice what to do.
Come on. Kiss.
Bro, I mean, it's what you guys
Kiss.
respect. It's the values you guys respect. So
Kiss.
whatever you guys are comfortable with, I can't advise.
Kiss.
Revant Tota. Is talking really necessary for a relationship? How to approach the other party when you don't know him, her, but you still admire her and want to be in a relationship? No, stalking is not okay.
Yes.
You cannot stalk.
Go and talk.
Yeah, elli maatladu. Confidence techukoni elli maatladu. I'm sure it'll all work out. But don't stalk, bro. Syntax error. What is the ideal safe reply to message IDK your wish when she clearly means the opposite? I don't know your wish.
Oh,
When she
girls,
clearly
please.
means I don't know your wish అంటే వాళ్ళకి తప్పకుండా ఒక ఆన్సర్ ఉంది. It is up to you to guess what that answer is. So it's not your wish, bro. They already know. Okay, you have to figure it out.
It's never your wish. Sorry, boys.
Shrinik Jain. I love a girl who's my good friend, but on the other side, I'm having a fear that if I express my feelings to her, it could result in breaking our relationship, friendship. What to do? Express it.
Yes.
Risk it.
Risk it.
Thanks everyone. ఈ questions, ask చేసాంలో participate చేసి ఈ questions మాకు పంపించినందుకు. I hope at least ఒక 5-10% అయినా we helped out. But it was a lot of fun. Thank you for doing this.